In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a free ChatGPT account. This process is perfect for beginners and will take just a few minutes to get you up and running. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. You'll find it easily with a quick search for ChatGPT on any search engine. Once you're there, you'll see a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the website. You'll notice a sign up button. Give it a click and you'll be on your way to creating your account. Next, you'll be presented with different options to sign up. You can use your email address, or if it's more convenient, you can sign up using an existing Google or Microsoft account. Choose the method that suits you best. If you decide to use an email, make sure it's one you have access to because you'll need to verify it shortly. Once you've selected your sign-up method and entered the required information, it's time to check your email inbox. This step is crucial as ChatGPT will send you a verification email to confirm your account. Keep an eye out for this email, and if it doesn't appear immediately, patiently check your spam or junk folder. Occasionally, emails may end up there by mistake. In the verification email, you'll find a link. Clicking on this link will confirm your registration and activate your account with ChatGPT. It's a simple one-click process that ensures it's really you who wants to set up the account. After you've confirmed your account, ChatGPT may ask for a bit more information. You might see a prompt to enter your name, which is optional, and your date of birth. Providing accurate information here will help personalize your ChatGPT experience, but feel free to skip the optional fields if you'd prefer. With your email verified and any additional details entered, you're all set to log into ChatGPT. Head back to the website, click on Login, and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you can start using ChatGPT immediately. You've successfully signed up for your free ChatGPT account. Now you can explore the features that ChatGPT offers, interact with the model, and utilize it for your needs. Whether you're looking to obtain information, receive writing assistance, or just have a conversation, ChatGPT is ready to help. Enjoy your new account, and happy chatting.